Welcome to the live bench evaluation of RA2E1 Touchless Keypad and Sensor Solution. RA2E1 is a microcontroller based on a 48 MHz Arm Cortex M23 core with up to 128 KB flash and 16 KB SRAM. It delivers ultra-low power consumption, supports a 1.6 volt to 5.5 volt operating voltage range, and is available in multiple package options. With compatibility to the RA2E1 Group, it is well suited for battery-powered and space-constrained applications requiring high performance and energy efficiency. Click on Plug-in to get started. This setup features a touchless sensor board and a robotic arm to enable interactive movement. The user controller tile allows the user to control the robotic arm with different positioning modes such as power, auto, and more. Click on the different grid buttons to see the robotic arm move to the corresponding position on the board. The progress log window provides detailed information and logs of all live bench activities. Use the right view tile to observe the live feed from the right side of the board. Similarly, the left view tile displays the live feed from the left side of the board. Use the sensor and touchless key monitor to observe temperature, IAQ, and humidity levels on the board during operations. The Assist Me feature offers additional guidance on the evaluation process. The user manual and other helpful documentation can be accessed via the hamburger menu icon here. Evaluate other interesting live bench designs by clicking on the Home icon here. Thank you and happy evaluation!